my heart could guide mankind, I'd erase the hate we find, paint the skies with peace so kind, and fill the earth with hearts aligned. If the world were mine, I'd clear the pain, keep the pure, the kind remain, plant a smile where tears have lain, and let only love sustain. I'd color the dawn with gentle grace, let laughter light each weary face, turn every sorrow to warm embrace, and bring back dreams time can't erase. I'd dry each tear from eyes that weep, and guard the hearts that secrets keep. Let kindness bloom where shadows sleep, and peace in every soul run deep. Ah, if I could fly among the stars, I'd heal the hearts and lift the scars, whisper softly, love is ours. It shines beyond the darkest hours. If the world were mine, I'd clear the pain, keep the pure, the kind remain, plant a smile where tears have lain, and let only love sustain. And if the world's not mine to hold, I'll dream it pure, I'll dream it bold, for love will bloom as tales are told in hearts of light and soul